Spread out over 14 acres, this sanctuary is a lively hub of a wide variety of avian species. Welcome to the Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary. Situated on the scenic banks of Vembanad Lake, Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary is one of the most sought-after spots for birdwatching in India. Since the sanctuary is a safe haven for both local and migratory birds, there are two distinct seasons where you can experience the sights and sounds offered by the throngs of birds that alight in this place. Developed in a rubber plantation as a bird sanctuary by Englishman George Alfred Baker, the sanctuary was formerly known as Baker's Estate. The Kerala Tourism Development Corporation currently manages the sanctuary. The main attractions are local birds like waterfowl, quail, owl, egret, heron, cormorant, moorhen, darter and Brahmini kite, as well as the migratory gull, teal, tern, flycatchers and other birds are seen here during the respective migratory seasons. People also get to see pelicans, racket-tailed drongos, wood beetles, parrots, cranes and various other species of egrets. A cruise along the serene backwaters of Vembanad Lake, watching the birds dipping in and out of the water, is an experience like no other. The 2-kilometer trail that spans through the wooded land of a sanctuary also gives you a chance to spot the birds in their habitat. The tranquil atmosphere broken only by birdsong will truly make you feel like you are in paradise. November to February is the ideal time to watch the migratory birds that flock here from regions ranging from the Himalayas to Siberia. June to August is the breeding season of the native wetland birds such as cormorants, moorhen, oriental darter, waterfowl, egrets, woodpecker, herons, Brahmini kites and kingfishers and many more. In 2008, WWF India organized a 2-day birdwatching program at the sanctuary in connection with the World Wetlands Day. So, don't forget to visit this amazing place when you visit Kerala the next time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And do comment in the comment box what you would like to see in the next video. Thank you.